It's quality work, best.
Actually,
What is it off?
Centre cap of one of my wheels, I think.
It just comes off like that.
It suits the bumper, doesn't it? So do you want to show the world what we're gonna do?
So this is an M3 bumper.
And
It's only a cheap copy off eBay. I think it's like 130 quid.
voila!
Stick it on.
Oh yeah.
So it doesn't fit on the edges. If you get the Evo 2 kit for it,
Fucking meow.
it matches in quite nicely. Because obviously the Evo 2
And you don't have an Evo 2
I
kit.
don't have an Evo 2 kit.
But
we're just gonna cut it and make it work.
it is actually an evolution of metal. The metal's evolved into oxygen.
Rust is a result of the oxidation process in which metals, typically, react with oxygen and water.
Rust is lighter than carbon fibre.
Yeah. Should we show them some of the challenges that we face? Where it's gonna mount to
It's gone.
it isn't there, and where is there isn't technically there. Oh.
Don't pull that any harder.
How are you going to paint it?
You've made that so much worse, you
I'm sorry, but if it was already not there to begin with, me moving it a bit shouldn't.
But it more or less nearly isn't there anyway.
What about this side? I've not touched this side.
Yeah, no, that's it.
That side.
Out of the things that I've actually bought to fit to it, the only things that fit were the springs and the brakes.
The car's falling off.
Yeah, we're looking at it, but Jake's really enjoying taking the piss out of how rotten everything is.
Rust is a result of the oxidation.
Fair.
It's quite bad.
It is quite bad.
Should we attack it?
Yeah.
Put the ground force view tune on.
Bit of a different shape.
So you just wasted all that time.
He's gonna melted a hole in it instead.
Oh!
Look, he was that committed, just carried on anyway.
Yeah, he was sending it regardless, wasn't he?
Will it fall off?
Yeah.
Actually, I got it on that one.
What? Rusty, there's still a fucking hole in it, mate.
Where?
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 There's a fucking hole in it.
Where?
Fucking hole.
Yeah, nice BMW, bro.
Rusty, he's testing it whole.
He's tested it, yeah. Go on, show him.
Yeah, look.
Show him.
And you're worried about that little hole?
Fucking hole in it. Why don't you paint that bit? Oh no, it's just not there. It just doesn't exist anymore. How many horsepower does this add?
Oh, at least 7.
7. Nice. So what does that bring the grand total to? 9.
13.
13.
Yeah.
Ooh. So what I've realised is it doesn't look as bad if it's sprayed black. You can't even tell.
Tell what?
They'll never know.
They'll
They'll never know.
Technology!
Technological. Oh, she's looking saucy now. Oh, go on. It's still wet.
I'm just fucking keen, mate. I feel like I cheated on my missus, do you know?
What, welding with no mask?
No. MIG welding a fucking shitty scrap exhaust.
Oh, bro, you've got a straight pipe. What does it matter? No. Is she going to be meaty? Is she going to be medium beef? So is it going to be a Tesco burger with a bit of horse in it?
I'd go horse.
Horse?
Yeah, horse.
Let's see. How much horsepower do you reckon we've just gained by welding that straight piece of pipe on there?
Oh, that's got to be at least another 7 horsepower.
7?
Does that put us at
What's the total now?
16?
16?
That's a whole 16.
Your estimates are going up fast, sir.
What the fuck is it, these?
What the fuck are you doing?
Making an exhaust mount.
Exhaust mount? What happened there? See that long. Oh god, thank you. Thank you. Cheers the boys.
Cheers the boys.
Make sure all Ross come back though, boys.
No.
Oh, did you not just hear it?
Yeah. No. Rusty, this has gone a long way today.
Look how happy he is.
Yeah.
He's such a happy man. How many Furstenbergs have you had, Jamie?
This is number 4.
Number 4.
Right, come on. Come on, mate. It's getting late, mate. I know, but there's also fucking pensioners next door.
You fucking bitch.
You don't know, are you? No. You're not though, because if you were done, you wouldn't be carrying on.
He's done,
You're done now.
Yeah, but I'm done.
But at that point, you wasn't done. If you were done, you wouldn't be carrying on.
If the time it would take you to give me the multi-tool, would we
Right.
still be doing it?
If you'd have been done this
But the
whole
thing
job
is, right,
quicker,
that tyre was
you
done
wouldn't
on
have
his
had men with pints.
No, it
Right?
wasn't. Fuck off. That was going back on.
Oh, fuck's sake!
Jesus.
We needed that.
Waste of my time.
Oh, it has enough power to get over the ramp. What the fuck he's doing? Rusty, do you want a knife and fork? You're making a fucking meal out of this, you. Oh, it does look rather good though. It's too bad it's got 7 horsepower. Ollie's not well. I was just saying Ollie's not well, and this can be demonstrated by you. What's that there?
I can't believe I'm going to all this fucking effort for a chrome trim. I'm actually disgusted with myself.
Will it drive without falling off? That's the question. Jamie's drunk and he's going to try a burnout.
I'll probably try this. No.
Wow!
No. That's your clutch.
That was horrific.
Any you have
Go on.
Oh, no.
Sounds exit.
Oh, that was well better. It wasn't though, was it?
It was.
Oh, for someone that's had 6 pints.
I think technically it spanned more than yours. To be fair.
Yeah, but for somebody that's had more beer, for someone that's sober.
You turn your car off. It's not going to start again now.
No, it'll start, it's fine. It's just a 10%. That I should have fitted today, but I did other things.
Oh, you look sick.
It does, doesn't it?
It really does.
It looks dead nice. But the trim is no more. Is he going in the boot? He's going in the boot. Right, Rusty, it's time to buy a wing.
It's beautiful, that stuff, isn't it?
Rusty, why are you groping me neck, you? You know it's hit bad when it pulls down on the metal.
Hey, why is it? Oh my god! When did that happen? Has anyone got a hammer?
I might have a hammer.
I have a ratchet.
Get the hammer.
Yeah? I have a
Do
ratchet.
you know I have a proper arch roller, Rusty?
Hey?
Do you know I have a proper arch roller?
Do I have one?
No, do you know I have a proper arch roller?
Yes, I do. Just hit it.
You need to cut it and
Just hit it.
bend it up.
I just hit it.
Oh, you carry on hitting at the bottom, it almost went as wide as an Evo.
Jake, are you making it worse or fixing it?
Fixing it.
It's a paddle beat.
So, in summary to the video, we have,
Many things.
You've ruined it already.
you've ruined it, you've fucked the car up.
Yeah, it's fucking ruined already.
Now, would you finish the video?
Um,
What would you do?
it definitely needs more power.
Are you going to be funny about it and try and mount this fucking supercharger?
Yes.
It's never going to work right.
Yes.
I'm going to put sand in your engine before that happens.
Fine.